to the speakers.
Welcome to Ujamma Sounds, brother.
At Ujamma Sounds, we create the sound. Custom songs, every genre, every time around. Every moment, every vibe, every story we tell. Turn your vision into music, yeah, we do it well. Got a wedding, got a brand, got a moment that matters. Birthday love, business buzz, let the speakers shatter. Hip-hop, R&B, Afro, reggae, soul. From the islands to the city, worldwide control. Your story got a heartbeat, we give it a voice. Every note handcrafted, this ain't no random choice. From the first idea to the final mix, we don't just make songs, we make magic stick. You can feel it, if you can dream it. If it moves you, we can create it. As Ujamma Sounds, we create the sound. Custom songs, all genres, global movement now. Any occasion, any feeling, any plan. We don't follow ways, we help you stand. We help you stand. From around the world, different rhythms unite. One sound, one love, one musical light. Every culture, every beat, every tone. Ujamma Sounds, welcome home. Check us out on YouTube. Ujamma Sounds. Join the movement. Let's make magic on it. At Ujamma Sounds, we create the sound. We create the sound. Custom songs, all genres, global.